interaction?
Well, here at the OnStar EV Lab is really the nerve center of where data comes from associated with Volt testing. Of the 80 or so integration vehicles that we have, 20 of them have been outfitted with OnStar, so a number of the vehicles on our trip was sending data back instantaneously as to how the vehicle was behaving. It was capturing the mileage of the vehicle, the amount of energy used to drive the miles in question, the time and when the engine turned on when we were in range extending mode and the like. But it was also very importantly capturing data on how the vehicle worked, how the new technology worked, the temperature of the battery, for example. How well did our heating and cooling system keep the battery at a nice, comfortable temperature, just like the temperature we folks like?
How does having this OnStar give you any advantage? I mean, I'm sure you got all this information in the car itself. Why does having an OnStar connection give you an advantage?
Well, OnStar is a wonderful wireless telematics platform. So instantaneously, the data that we capture on the trip could be sent back to the OnStar EV lab here and analyzed. So we've spent the time to get the data, to analyze the data, to provide feedback to the data, to the engineers, to the guys that were making the battery packs, etc., so they could immediately fix and correct things as appropriate or assess the effects of different temperatures, different grades, different environments that the vehicle drove in. So it's really a huge enabler. It's something no one else has, let alone no other EV manufacturer has, and that's OnStar.
Okay, but bottom line, what does that mean? Does that mean you're going to get this to market faster? I mean, what is all that, having all that OnStar mean?
Well, bottom line is the capability that OnStar provides to pull data from a vehicle is almost like having a battery doctor on board. So now in development, just as when you would go for a checkup and have your blood pressure taken, your pulse, your temperature, etc., our engineers are assessing how healthy this prototype vehicle is during its tests and fixing issues that they find before they result in failures. And can you imagine how secure and safe a customer would be knowing that their Chevy Volt had a battery doctor on board, i.e. a link with OnStar?
So that's what's going to happen is, and when the Volt comes to production with its level 9 OnStar, how is that going to serve the client? How is that going to serve the subscriber?
Well, it's going to give the customers a peace of mind. Anytime you have a new technology, electric vehicle with high voltage batteries and fancy lithium-ion technology, you want to have the assurance that this is robustly designed. You want to have the feeling that this is well engineered, well designed, and wouldn't it be wonderful to know that someone is monitoring this high-tech piece of equipment for you so you don't have to worry about it?